We have the most perfect day for you. A warm hello in every sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for the contest that lies ahead. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. The action has already started. Well, he has a pop! He's pulled off a fine save.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
And it's Insigne. Insigne tries to get it forward. Goes for goal! Goal! Lyon! There is the breakthrough!
Yeah, the pass was bang on, and he just had to ensure he didn't stray offside. The finish was actually bang on too.
Lyon go ahead, 1 goal to the good. Forward it goes. Boateng positions himself well and cuts it out. Daniel Alves. Hardly anything between the sides, and the score is 1-0. Now it's De Bruyne. Messi. He's had a shot! He's scored! And already they're looking to run away with it.
Lyon are so well practiced in the art of keeping the ball through wonderful passing and movement, and a real appetite to ensure it's reflected in their goal count.
Lyon have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Smalling. Boateng plays it forward. Looks to dink one in. Neatly flicked on. Cleared without complication. Now the cross. Great leap! Oh, just needed a better contact.
I have to commend the wing play, but I have to condemn the defending. They've got to stop the cross.
Oscar. Daniel Alves. Dani Alves drives it forward. Dani Alves. De Bruyne. Shoots! Oh, that is rather wayward.
De Bruyne certainly caught it well enough, but that was never really going to trouble the keeper.
A searching ball out wide. Referee's had a good look and given a corner. Pirlo plays it short. Pirlo. And that has been cleared. Oh, sweet feet. Pirlo spreads it towards the left. Tevez tries running with the ball at his feet. Hoists it forward. He's picked him out. Cech deals with it effortlessly. And we hit half-time. Any strong opinions on the first half?
Oh, they had their opponents reeling in that half, Peter, and the break may influence a change somehow, but don't hold me to it.
Lyon in control at half-time, 2-0. And that's the start of another 45 minutes. Just brushed off the ball there. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? It's Dani Alves. Lovely bit of skill. Lorenzo Insigne, aimed in towards the centre. Tried to play it through.
Was too timid to make it through the defence. It'll be noted and improved upon, I'm sure.
De Bruyne!
I can't speak highly enough of the keeper after that save. Can't stop thinking about it.
Dani Alves. And the counter is on. And it's played forward. There's the through ball. Could be... There's a pop! They've done it! The breakaway clinical and clean, and the finish unerring.
Quick, decisive and unerring. A textbook example of how to turn defence into counter-attack. That'll do for me every time.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Listen, goals change games, and that has changed the whole complexion of this one. They have the momentum now.
Looking for space out wide. Wan-Bissaka attempts a clearance. Could move up a gear here. Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Oh, he's caught him there. It's a free kick. Now it's Messi. And it's De Bruyne. Now it's Tevez. And here's Messi. Knocks it away. There it is over the line. Tevez. Swung in towards the middle. Here comes the corner. They've played it short. Dani Alves gets it into the middle. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. And it's De Bruyne. James Rodriguez. Now Messi hits it!
This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
Dani Alves needed to come up with a better ball.
Encourage the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
Insigne. A heavy challenge.
Lyon probably could have killed things off, but they should be okay here.
And here's Messi. And it's Kgh. And here's Tevez. And that is that.